Hi beautiful Nono Obis, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nono Obi, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to get your channel monetized in 3 months. Do not click off. I'm going to tell you guys the facts. See, I'm going to tell you guys the tea. I'll be breaking so many secrets, and the last of it is the gang. So make sure you watch to the end of this video to, if you're a new YouTuber or if you're in YouTube already, you're struggling, watch to the end so that you will you will deliver. Number one here is, I'm going to say the usual thing that everybody says, which I cannot omit, and it cannot be overemphasized because it's the truth. Number one here is to be consistent. If you want to get your channel monetized in 3 months in this 2024, you have to be consistent. Trust me, you have to be present. YouTube is not here to play. They're not joking, no. They want their money, so they're not joking. They're paying people, so they're not joking as well. It's business and it's strict, okay? It's not a playing ground. You have to be consistent. You have to be present. Number 2, join platforms. Don't say that you're an introvert and you want to do a YouTube and you're an introvert. Open channels, open Instagram, open Facebook, join Facebook groups, join YouTube. See, I'm giving you guys a teaser. These are the things they won't tell you. I'm telling you because just of my experience when I was starting this channel, there are so many things I didn't know that I know now. So now I know it. I'm telling you guys, join YouTube groups on Facebooks. There are so many things that they do to help each other to grow, both in watch hour, both in subscribers. So join them. When I started my own, I didn't have so much experience like that. I was just doing my things and killing myself. It took me about 8 months, yeah, because I know I was monetized before the 12 months. And trust me, the funny thing about it is that you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour before YouTube monetizes you. When 4,000 watch hour is in 12 months, if you don't have it in 12 months, YouTube will take away your watch hour. It means in another 12 months running, you need to make 4,000 watch hour again. So it means that all your struggle, even though you have 3,999 watch hour, and that 12 months elapses, you will lose your watch hour. It's not for the weak. So this is the reason why I consistently went to the other way around. Do you understand? And your subscribers remain, so they're not taking your subscribers, but they will take your watch hour, because remember, watch hour is the fight. So join YouTube groups, join on Facebook, and so on and so forth. I will not advise you to do this when you're doing sub for sub, because those ones will not watch your video. And the number 3 thing, I'm just giving you just 3 tips. The third one I'm going to give you here now is to join the bandwagons. Anything that is updated on YouTube, start doing it, because those are the ones that YouTube will start pushing. And once YouTube start pushing your content, people will start subscribing willingly on their own. For example, Reels. If you're starting YouTube in 2024, please make sure you do Facebook Shorts. Do your contents Facebook Shorts, post your videos. Be 70% active on posting shorts and 30% active on posting normal videos, because normal videos don't even give much views again. Even the old YouTubers are complaining they don't have much views like the way they used to have before. That YouTube have diverted their interest on shorts. So if you're starting YouTube in this 2024 and you want to be monetized within 3 months, just put more of your energy, 70% of your energy on doing shorts and 30% of your energy on doing normal videos. Shorts goes very viral and people will subscribe. I know how many subscribers I've gained when I started doing shorts on my channel. I know how many subscribers I have gained. I have a second channel where I teach Igbo language. I also grew the subscribers on that channel by doing shorts. So you just have to join the thing that works. Forget about it. Join the thing that works. Join the thing that works, because when that thing start working, YouTube concentrates there. That is just the truth about it. Okay, so what did I say? Number 1, consistency. Number 2, join the social media networks. Don't be an introvert and say I want to open YouTube account. Join social media networks. Open Instagram, open Facebook, open all those things. Join Facebook groups. Join Instagram, Facebook, YouTube groups on Instagram, YouTube groups on Facebook. Join whatever they are doing and grow your community within 3 months. And number 3, which is the last one, do shorts. put more of your energy on short. You see, I didn't even start wasting time. This is just straight to the point. All this are saying things to do to grow your channel or to get monetized in 3 months, that are naming 100 things. You're wasting your time. Just these 3 things is just the obenge. You're ready to go, and your channel will take you to the next level. Put your energy more on doing shorts, 70% energy on doing shorts, and 30% on doing reels. Okay, also you're doing normal videos, and try to do longer videos. Okay, you see guys, do longer videos, because when you do short videos, human beings retention is very low. They'll just watch your video 1 minute and go. If you do 10 minutes video, it's likely they watch 3 minutes. If you do 5 minutes video, it's likely they watch 1 minute. And trust me, you need that minutes to count to get to that 4,000 subscribers. And trust me, you need that minutes to grow to get to that 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel to catapult. Sorry guys, my camera battery went down, and I switched over to my phone because I have to just finish up this video, whether the devil likes it or not. I have to finish up the video, so I just switched today, to my phone camera. So guys, that is just it. You see, I didn't waste time, I didn't talk too much. You can see the video is very short. That is how it is, and this is straight to the point. Okay, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please try to do so. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.